the gardens again.
No. No.
Come on, come on.
You do a vampire.
Chucky Jesus.
Where can it be a kid? Kid.
I am
Star.
Star.
What if we have abandoned all of the beautiful young people singing?
No.
Oh.
I don't want to grow.
Why can't I sing?
It's
That's good.
Well, you're not young. You are beautiful. He's beautiful.
Poor Uncle Michael.
Sing you back to the time of the wall.
I don't know what that one
Yeah,
said.
I like that one.
We keep playing this until it's some good one.
We're not going to give you your present until you liven us up.
If I'm immortal.
Are we still vampires?
Yes. We went all vampire last night.
All vampire all night.
Is that why y'all sent Zoe away?
You didn't want her to.
We're not going to tell you what she went. This is a secret.
What?
That is a secret. Is that good?
See, I'm an old cowhand from Rio Grande.
You're getting boring.
Yeah,
Something
the end.
exciting.
What? You can't end on a boring note.